Hello children, how are you here? Okay, today's session we are going to learn about fats and proteins. Before that, in the last class we learned about carbohydrates, isn't it? Okay dear. Which food item have carbohydrates? Students say, which food item have carbohydrates? Children, let us say. Okay dear, very good answer. Very nice. Rice, wheat have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Okay dear? Okay children. Let us go to today's session. Okay. Fats. Say the word fats. Children, fats and proteins. Fats and proteins. Again say fats and proteins. Okay dear? Which food item have fats? Already you know about that. Very nice. Very good answer. Oil items like vada, very nice, fries, very good children, samosa, very good. These food items contain fats. Okay dear? Fats are healthy food or unhealthy food? Very good. Unhealthy food, but we should take little amount of this. Okay dear? Okay children. From this, fats also give us energy. What ma? Energy. Children, cool drinks. What type of nutrient? Very good. Very good answer. Fats. Is also one of the fats. Okay? Okay dear. Children, in the previous class, we learned about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy. Like that, fats also give us energy. Fats also energy producing food. Energy producing nutrient. Fats is one of the nutrient. This is also give us energy to our body. Okay dear? Okay children. But the body takes energy from fats even slower than carbohydrates. Carbohydrates will take from grains. Will take which food item? Grains. Okay? From the grains we get carbohydrates. From the grains we get carbohydrates. What is carbohydrate? Very good children. Carbohydrate is one of the nutrient. Carbohydrate is one of the nutrient. Like that, fats are also one of the nutrient. What are the food items contain fats? Okay dear? Very good children. Children, what is that? Very good. Ghee, oil, very nice. Butter contain the nutrient fats. Students, say again, what are the food items that have fats? Ghee, oil, butter contain the nutrients. Nutrients, what nutrient? Fats. What nutrients ma? Fats. Okay dear? Okay children. Children, fats get stored in the body. Fats get stored in the body for times. Which time? When there is no food. When ma? When there is no food, at the time fats get stored in the body. Okay? Okay dear. So our body needs fats only in small quantities. Only in small quantities. In our food, in our daily food, we should take very little amount. Very little amount of fats in our food. Okay? Okay dear. Let us go next one. Children, look at this picture. What is this? Very good. Potato fries. Very good children. Potato fries. What nutrient this one have? Very nice. Fat. What nutrient? Fat. It is a healthy food or unhealthy food? Very good answer. This is a unhealthy food. This is a unhealthy food. We should avoid this in our daily food. We should take very few amount, very little amount in our food item. Okay? Okay dear. This is a, what is this children? Very good. This is a samosa. What nutrient in this? In samosa, what nutrient? Very good children. Samosa have fat nutrient. What nutrient? Samosa contain fat nutrient. Samosa contain fat nutrient. Okay? This one is a healthy food or unhealthy food in our body. Very nice children. Unhealthy food because it is one of the junk food. Okay? Okay dear. Let us go next one. Children, look at this picture. You can understand easily. If we eat more amount of, plenty amount of fats in our daily life diet, we will, how is it ma? Like this? Why? Okay? So, we should avoid fats item. We should avoid fats item. Okay? And then we should daily do the exercise. We will do the exercise. Okay? At that time we have to fit in our body, and then we are strong. We will become strong. Okay? Okay dear. Children, now we see healthy and unhealthy food, isn't it? Okay dear. Now you see the slide, you can understand healthy and unhealthy fats. Okay? Okay dear. Healthy fats can be easily digested. Healthy fats can be easily digested. What is meant by healthy fats? Very good children. We will prepare in our home. That is healthy fats. Okay? Natural butter. And then olive oil also one of the healthy fats. Okay? So it is easily digested. And then desi ghee. Okay? Okay dear. What are the healthy fats? Children again say butter, olive oil and then desi ghee. Okay? Okay dear. Children, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Very nice. It is butter. Very good children. This one is healthy food, unhealthy food. Healthy food. It is the healthy food. Okay? Okay dear. Let us see next one. Children, what is this? Very good children. This is a olive oil. This is an olive oil. It is very good in our body. It is easily digested. This one is easily digested. So, it is the one of the healthy food. It is one of the healthy food. Olive oil is one of the healthy food or unhealthy food? Healthy food. Olive oil is one of the healthy food. Butter, healthy food or unhealthy food? Very nice. Healthy Okay, children. Children, now see this. Unhealthy fats are difficult to digest. Unhealthy fats are difficult to digest and even be harmful. It is not good for our health. Okay, but healthy fats is very good for our health. Students, again say, what are the healthy fats? Very good. Butter, desi ghee, and then what is that, ma? Very good, children. Very nice. Olive oil, and then olive oil. They are healthy fats to our body because they can be easily digest. Okay, dear. And then unhealthy fats are difficult to digest. And even be harmful. It is not good for our health. So oil is heated repeatedly. So deep fried foods such as, what is that, say? Very good. Chips, very nice. Fries, very good, children. And samosa are unhealthy food. So we should avoid them. Because it is harmful for our body. Okay, dear. Children, now look at the board. Next one is proteins. What is that? Proteins. Children, have you seen in your home dal, chana, and then pulses? Okay, dear. I hope you have seen in your home. Okay, dear. Proteins. Pulses have proteins. What is the meaning of protein? What is that? Protein is one of the nutrient. What is protein? Protein is one of the nutrient. What are the food items have proteins? Very good. Pulses have proteins. Egg have proteins. Okay, dear. Then listen, students. Proteins building our bones. Muscles, bones and our muscles. Proteins building our bones. Which part, ma? Bones and muscles. So we should take in our daily food item. We should take more amount of proteins. More quantity of proteins we should take. Okay, children? Very clear? Okay, children. Now, proteins building the bones, muscles. So, proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Okay, dear. Okay, children. Now look at the slide. What is this? Very nice. Proteins play an important role in our body. Okay, dear, what is the meaning of proteins? What is protein? Very nice. It is one of the nutrient. Okay, dear. Then what are the food items have proteins? Very good. Chana, and then children say dal. They have proteins. Okay, dear? Okay, children. What is this? Look at this picture and say, what is this? Very good answer. Proteins. This is a proteins. In this picture, we can see varieties of pulses. Varieties of pulses. Here we have Vyas. Here, what is this? So many pulses here. Okay? Okay, dear. Then, children say, pulses have proteins. Pulses have proteins. Pulses have which nutrient? Proteins. Children say, what's the word? Proteins. Proteins play an important role in our body. Okay? Okay, dear. Children, now look at the slide. Proteins are needed for body making, body building. So they make bones. They build bones, muscles, and for growth. So they are known as bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods. Which nutrient is called bodybuilding foods? Very nice. Very good, children. Proteins is called bodybuilding foods. Okay? Okay, dear. Children, look at this slide. What is this? Very good. I think you like very much. What is this? Egg. Okay, dear. Egg have proteins. Egg have proteins. So, you should take in your food item egg. Okay? Okay, dear. Let us see next one. Children, what is this? Very nice. We have varieties of pulses. We have varieties of pulses. Okay? Children, now see this picture. In this picture, we get what nutrient? Very good, children. What nutrient? Proteins. What nutrient? Proteins. What's the use of proteins? Proteins build our body, our bones and muscles. And then for growth. Especially children needed huge amount of proteins because they are growing. Okay, dear? Okay, children. Students, we must have protein in sufficient quantities. We must have proteins in sufficient quantities and exercise daily. We should do the exercise daily at the time to be fit and strong. We will fit and strong. Okay? Okay, dear. Children, now look at this. You can understand easily food items that have proteins. First one is milk. Next one is paneer. Do you like paneer? Very good, children. Next one is curd. Next one is egg. And then next one is chicken. Chicken also have what, ma? Proteins. Okay? Okay, dear. Then chana and then dal. These, they have what nutrient? Proteins. They have proteins. Okay? Okay, dear. Milk contain proteins. Paneer contain proteins. Curd contain proteins. Eggs contain proteins. And then chicken have proteins. Chana have proteins. And then dal also have proteins. Okay? Okay, dear. Children, now take your worksheet. I give you time. I count the numbers. Students, Worksheet number 8. Worksheet number 8. Page number 31. Page number 31. First one, match the following by drawing a line. Take a pencil with scale. Take a pencil with scale. First one is nutrient. You see in the right side of the page, importance, nutrients and its importance they give for you. First one, A, proteins. Which food item have proteins? Very good children. Egg. Then what's that? Children say. Very good. Grow body. Proteins grow body. Match egg to grow body. Then carbohydrates. Which food item in these three food items? Which food item have carbohydrates? Very good. Very good answer. Idli. Idli is slow energy or fast energy? Very good children. Slow energy. You match it. The next one is fats. Next one is fats. Join this picture. Very good. Last picture you join this and then fats, oil item, isn't it? So fast energy. Okay dear? Okay children. Children, listen the carbohydrates. Sorry dear. Carbohydrates is slow energy. Okay? Fats, fast energy. Fats, fast energy. Okay dears? Let us go next one. Okay ma'am. Fill in the blanks by choosing the words from the box. Fill in the blanks by choosing the words from the box. First one is 3. Second one is boards. Third one is meat and beans. Fourth one is carbohydrates. And fifth one is lazy. Sugar food group have the nutrient. Sugar food group have the nutrient. What nutrient? Sugar food group. Children say. Very good children. First one is carbohydrates. Sugar food group have the nutrient carbohydrates. Very good answer. The next one is dash food group have the nutrient proteins. Which food group? Meat and beans are, boards are, 3 are, lazy are. Very good children. Very good answer. Meat and boards food groups have the nutrient proteins. What is ma? Proteins. Okay dear? Beans is one of the pulses. So pulses have proteins. So what is this answer? Very nice. Meat and beans food group have the nutrient proteins. Next one is we need to eat carbohydrates dash times a day. Very good. In our class we saw 3 times, isn't it? So what's the answer? 3. And the next one is when we eat too much fat, we become what? Lazy. Very good. We become lazy and it may cause sick. So here answer, what's the answer? Lazy. Okay dear. Proteins builds our muscles and bones. Very good answer. Bones. Okay children. Thank you children. Children, take care of you.